it could be used for doors and windows, etc., etc. So for those who missed the previous video, I recommend that you go and watch them so that we could be on the same wavelength. So let's get started. As you can see here, we've designed the first hook. We're going to duplicate it. So let's make sure we are on 3D, and let's go on the rectangular pattern. Click on it. Just make sure you highlight the part that you would like to duplicate and go here, right here. Make sure it's 2. Yeah, it's 2 here. And also we have to make sure that we select the line where we want the duplication to happen. And you can see the direction is wrong. So we're going to flip it right here. And we want 2, and this distance should be 50. Then if you are happy with the result, we can just go on and click on OK. So we've just duplicated the hook. We've got exactly the number that we like to have, 2. So I will stop this video here, and I hope you learn 1 or 2 new things. So let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.